In the last episode, I continued to install more of the car's new UMI suspension. I first installed the new crossmember, and then went ahead and installed the torque arm as well. And I must say, I definitely noticed a difference in the car's handling. But there are still a good number of parts that need to go on the car. Which takes us back to August of last year, where I installed the Firebirds' new UMI Wonder bar and the new larger front sway bar. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this episode. I want to thank you all so much for watching. And make sure you stay tuned because in the next episode, we're going to be finishing up the rest of the suspension install in the car. If you guys like this video, please consider subscribing and also make sure you tap that bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So until next time guys, my name is Robert. Thank you guys so much for watching United Brothers, and I'll see you guys again next time.